If you're a crypto trader or you want to start trading crypto, but you have less than $100, then this video is for you. I started my crypto journey in 2021 with $35, and today I've made thousands of dollars by starting small. All of that I will show you today. So in this video, I want to talk about 5 ways you can make money in crypto starting with little capital of less than $100. Before getting started, if you want to get free future signals where we tell you to buy and sell and then we make money together, then you need to do 2 things. First, create a ByBit account with my link in the description and make sure you deposit some money into your account. Then finally, join my Telegram group. The link is also in the description. Let's get started. The first way to make money with small capital is airdrop. This is one of the best ways to make money in crypto, so you can get good capital, then use it to start trading. Airdrops are simply free coins given to early users of a particular blockchain or a crypto platform. Recently, we had life-changing airdrops like Optimism, which gave out about $10,000, Arbitrum, which gave out about $600 to about $11,000, Aptos, which gave out about $1,000, Canto, which gave out about $5,000, ENS, which gave out about $5,000, and many more airdrops. I can count a lot more that have happened in the last 2 years. The shocking thing is, most of these airdrops, you don't have to spend up to $20 to make something reasonable from them. The question that might be going through your head right now is, are just the airdrops coming? And the answer is yes. We still have some major airdrops like ZK-Sync, Layer0, Starknet, SyncSwap, Linear, and many more. So with as little as $10 to $15, you can do each of these airdrops. One thing I know is the reward will actually be great. Now, not all of them will actually give you reward, but some will give you reward, and when the reward comes, it will be great. That is one thing I can tell you. Now, there are still other kinds of airdrop known as testnets. These ones, you don't need to spend money to do them, rather you request for free tokens and then use those free coins to do those airdrops. Now, the available testnet airdrops include Tyco, ZetaChain, Venom, and many more. The only thing with testnet airdrops is there is no guarantee that they will actually do airdrop, and some can still choose to do airdrop, but the airdrop will be very, very small. I think the last time we had something big from testnet airdrop was the Aptos airdrop, which gave out about $1,000. So you might still get lucky and get something big. The final thing I want to talk about airdrops is it requires patience. You don't have to do an airdrop today and expect to get rewarded tomorrow. You have to give it some time, like some months, not just few days or few weeks. You can also follow them on their social media platforms to get latest updates about when they are going to launch. The second way to make money in crypto with little capital is futures trading. Futures trading is just the buying and selling of the contract of a price of a coin. You either speculate if a coin will go up or it will go down. This is a very good way to make money in crypto. I've made some good money from futures trading. In fact, there was a time I tried trading with $10 just to show my friend that it is possible to turn that $10 to something big. And in less than a week, I was able to make about $100. So you can make good money from futures, but the problem is it is risky. It is very, very risky. You can face risk of getting liquidated or lose a huge percentage of your money when you don't set stop loss or use moderate leverage. So for you to get started with crypto trading, I advise you to learn the following things. First, learn technical analysis. It is very, very important. Now the second thing is learn risk management. It is very, very important. And finally, learn trading psychology. This will help you to get started with futures trading effectively. If you want to get started with futures trading and you don't know how to do it, or you want to get free signals, then just do the following things. Create a ByBit account with my link in the description and make sure you deposit some money in your account. And finally, join my Telegram group. In that group, we teach you how to become profitable trading futures market. And you also get free future signals in that group. So see you there. The third way to make money in crypto is NFT. Now NFT stands for non-fungible token. They are actually digital representation of assets like pictures, music, videos, arts, and many more. There are several ways you can make money from NFTs, but because this video is specific to those that have less than $100, what I will encourage you to do is to find free mints. Free mints are a new NFT project where you get these NFTs freely. For you to get them, you only need to pay gas fee, and most times the gas fee is not really expensive depending on the blockchain. Like if it's Solana, for instance, you don't even pay up to a cent for transaction fee. But if it's Ethereum, that is where you pay about $2 if gas fee is low, or sometimes you pay as high as $19 if gas fee is expensive. So check out the time you want to actually buy these NFTs. Personally, I've made some cool money from free mint, and I have friends that have made way more than $10,000 from free mint also. But before you get eligible for this free mint, you have to grind for whitelist that will make you eligible to mint some of them. It simply means you need to put in the work to get them. Also, the buzz around NFTs and the trading volume are currently down. This means you might not make much money from these free mints at the moment. I'm not saying you won't make money, you will actually make money, but it might not be like back in 2022 when there was a lot of money made from free mint. I believe the time might come again where a lot of liquidity will flow back into the NFT space. But if you can afford to pay for NFTs that requires money for you to mint them, that will actually be perfect. As a matter of fact, there are some NFTs that don't require you spend up to $20 to mint them. So look out for those type of NFTs, mint them, flip them, and make more money from the NFT space. The fourth way to make money in crypto is by creating paid classes. This is a very good way to make money, but before you start, people have to trust you to be a person of value. This simply means you need to have a very strong knowledge about cryptocurrency and you have actually made some money from it before you can start teaching people. So here's the pro tip. Build a social media account like Twitter, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and many more. They could actually help you leverage on the online audience. The final way to make money in crypto is by getting a crypto job. You can find crypto jobs on Google by just making a quick search, crypto jobs near me, and you'll see tons of jobs. Also, on social media platforms, you can get a lot of crypto jobs, but you need to have a skill before you can do these jobs. This includes graphics designing, programming, content writing, content creation, social media management, and many more. Guys, we've come to the end of this video. These are some of the ways I made money from crypto by starting with little capital. Don't forget to create a ByBit account with the link in the description and make sure you deposit some money in that account. That's it. I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.